So TC up against the back wall. I always do the right. I'm sure it'll work on either side, but it's just my preference. Now try to get it to about that second line on the metal. Rotate your box once. You just want it as close to TC as you can get it. And then all the way back to the wall. Then put your door frame in. You could probably leave that twig until you know the vending machine works, but going head on is not a big deal. You can do it like that. Should be no gap. If there is a gap, it should close when you rotate it. You can get your TC in your small box. Just make sure you lock it. And it's same as normal, reachable for both sides. I will say the only thing to keep in mind is if you try to do this off of a square foundation like this, it can be a little trickier to reach it. It's just a horrible placement. It can be just harder to reach. So I will say if you're going to do this, I recommend leaving yourself like a little space off the sides. Like this. That way you can reach it when you place it. There it is. It just makes it easier to reach it. That's it.